Hi Soha,
Hi, Papa.
how are you doing today?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good today, okay. So, what you are gonna describe today?
I'm gonna describe about vegetables. There's Valentine's card and my doll.
Okay. So, can you please tell me about the vegetables names?
Okay. First we have is cabbage. Cabbage is very yummy, but I don't like it
Why?
because I never tried it.
Okay. And what about the next vegetables?
It's potato. I love potato. In every dish, even when mommy fries it in the pan, I eat French fries.
Okay. So, do you like French fry?
Yes.
So, how is it made? Do you know?
Yes. First, we got to cut the potatoes. Then we gotta wash it and peel the rest off. Then we gotta put it in the corn soup powder. Then we gotta mix it and fry it in a pan. That's how you get your delicious French fries.
Oh, wonderful. That's great. Okay. So, what else vegetable do you like?
I like carrot. Carrot is good for your eyes.
Okay. Okay.
But you buy it before so many days, like 300 days ago.
Oh, okay.
You don't buy them now.
Okay, that's great. So, can we go for the next one? We ends up with the vegetables today. Can you go for the card that you are going to show?
Here.
Yes. What is this card for?
This card is for loving and sharing stuff.
Okay. So, whom did you give this?
I give it to my father
Okay, why did you give it to him?
because he is very loving and kind. He shares my stuff and his stuff.
Oh, okay. So
I'm
you
gonna
exchange the
show you.
stuffs, right?
Yes, I'm gonna show you the inside.
Oh. Okay. So is it the love you, Papa? Okay, wonderful.
Yes.
Thank you. So what will be the next one?
I have something in the back too.
You are very loving. Yes, thank you very much.
Now we have our doll.
Okay, so why there are so many red marks on her face?
Because my friends come to read. My mother is a teacher, so my friends do this to my doll.
Okay.
And there's a little boo-boo on his feet.
Okay, so did you try to repair that one?
I couldn't, but I gave her so many band-aids, but it didn't work. I had to peel it off. I got to need this. Then it will be secured.
Okay, that's great. So, okay, that's all for today. So, on our next episode, what would you like to describe?
We can describe about people, lands, and bad manners and good manners.
Okay, that's great. So then, thank you for today. You can say everyone bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you in the next next video.
Bye.
Bye.